Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to easily get followers on Scratch. So if you make a project or something and someone comments on it, see like here, someone commented on the name Fusion Games 2011, commented on an old project I made. And what I did as soon as they commented, I replied saying actually it's $69 emoji. And then I immediately went to their profile to follow them. And you know what happened? They follow back. If someone comments on anything on your profile, or I mean not profile, or profile or project, make sure to reply and follow them, and they'll follow you. Easy, simple as that. And okay, they're Catholic. If you're atheist, please change your race. Okay. I don't even know. I didn't even see that. See, right now, I have like 37 followers because of this trick. Well, some of them I just made friends with. But then I started doing that trick, and it gave me a lot. So yeah, that's how you get more followers on Scratch.